Hey, welcome back, folks, and this is Vageline the Spice Queen, and on today's episode, we are going to be making Griot, which is fried pork. This video is going to go by really fast because my mom's was doing everything before I could record it, so here's pretty much the process. You clean your meat, you boil your meat for a good 45 minutes, depending on how much pork you have. And then after you boil it, you drain your meat and pretty much get a pot with some fresh oil and you start frying it. It really is just simple. As you can see, we're putting the pieces into the oil a little bit at a time, not too much, so each one can fry individually. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out so you can see exactly what my mama was doing. So I'll fast forward this video so you can see what my mother was trying to achieve here. Forgive me, that's my son crying in the background because he doesn't want to go to sleep. But anyway, we're trying to get this to a really nice golden brown consistency, so it'll be nice and crunchy on the outside but still juicy in the inside. Hey guys, let me know in the comments below if you want to actually see a detailed video on how to clean your pork shoulders in order for you to achieve a good tasting griot. Alright, here is the end result after frying. My mother usually puts the griot in a bowl. She chops up onions, she chops up peppers, she puts a little bit of hot sauce in it, as you can see right here. And this is fresh out the pot. Look at that. Look at the sizzle. Look at that sizzle. Jesus, it's so good. It's so good. My mouth is actually watering just watching this. With some fried plantains, baby. Alright, so here she is finishing it off with some hot sauce. And let's go ahead to the plate up. Alright, so here is the plate up. We usually serve griot with some fried plantains. As you can see, my mother left a little bit of the peppers and the onions in there. And then to make it all come together, you have to have pickles. It's go manger griot. Pour again pickles, we. And that's just it. Period, boo. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I appreciate you. Bye. Big shout out to Mimi, of course. I appreciate you, Ma. Thank you for showing us how to make a good meal.